Hey, we're at our amazing Northeast Des Moines ranch home. This property is tremendous. One of my favorite things in my career is helping clients buy homes and then also sell those homes when they're ready to sell. So these clients bought this home several years ago from me, and they've done so much work to this property. It is truly amazing. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's check it out. So as you can see right here, the homeowner, since they've owned it, they updated all the landscaping here. And with landscaping rock here, the siding is steel, super nice. They painted the front here. They added this beautiful post right here. Big fan of this post. New door right here. So as you progress throughout the home, you'll see a lot of updates. I want to show you the updated, the beautiful the baseboards there. They painted everything in this house. This is just a really nice, spacious front living room. Want to highlight this amazing front bay window here that they updated here. So that is a very expensive window, and that's been taken care of. It really allows so much light in. So as you come from this living room here, you have a dining room, which is really rare to have in this price range. So you have a very nice dining room here. Some additional things about this living room: they added some can lights since they've lived here, and they've added a lot of light fixtures. Now, right off the dining room comes the kitchen. So as you come through the kitchen here, this has been fully updated. This is an awesome kitchen. So as you can see, I really like how they thoughtfully updated it here. So you have quartz counters, you have beautiful backsplash, nice sink, and so it's really nice layout here. But then additionally, you'll see some really thoughtful things they did. They have this coffee bar slash pantry, however you want to use it here, kind of a built-in kitchenette here. Then additionally, you have some storage here. Check this craftsmanship out right here. So this is really nice. So this pulls out. But you look at that. That's really neat. It's really awesome. So really well thought out. They really maximize this kitchen. Like I said, it's really rare to have an updated kitchen with a dining room like you have right here. So we'll progress now to the bedrooms and baths. So this is an update. They've updated this bathroom since they've lived here. So it's really nice, full family bath. Again, they have updated baseboard trim. A nice trim right here. Everything's been painted. So here's bedroom one. Good space right here, as you can see. You have a nice light fixture slash fan right here. Continue on to bedroom number two. So it's really nice and cute. And then additionally, you do have a custom closet system right here. So really nice features throughout this home. Go state right here. Now we'll go to the ensuite right here. So it's great space. You got a queen bed, nice closet right here. And what's neat about this property is that you do have a half bathroom that connects to this primary bedroom right here. So you have a half bath right here, but it also connects through the kitchen, so it can be a guest bathroom as well. It's just great for a growing family to have two bathrooms on the main floor. We'll round out. We'll progress now to basement. Now, one thing too, I didn't even mention this yet, but they did refinish the hardwood floors. So hardwood floors throughout, so it kind of keeps that historical charm for this home. We'll check out, this is off the kitchen. This is where you go outside for the backyard with a concrete patio. We'll check that out in a little bit. We'll go to the basement here. You're fully aware, one of my favorite things in the world is a poured foundation. So this house here, even though it was the area it was built, it wasn't common to have. It wasn't necessarily automatic. You had poured foundations, but this one does. So you got poured foundation. You have over 1,100 square feet down here. So as you can see, this is not a fully updated basement, but it's fully functional. They put in carpet down here. This is great for kids' play area, a second living room, man cave, things like that. You have some storage right here, which is great. So for entertaining. So I like that it's not officially a finished space, but it's 100% usable, and I like how they've done that. Over here, they made a little gym. This is a huge room. So as you can see, you have a nice gym area here. I believe since they've owned it, I'll have to double check with them, but I believe this is an updated panel. I'll double check in the comments there. We'll confirm, but this is an updated panel. So they made this little gym area slash office area, so a lot of space down here in this room. We'll go now to the other side of the basement where you have the laundry and storage. So this is a laundry area here. It's nice to have a folding station right here. Then you have some nice they're not built in, but you got some nice shelving right here for storage. Then over here, you have some additional storage space right here, which is great to have. So I like this, how this basement's laid out, because you have a gym area, you have a living area, then you have storage and laundry area. So right now we'll progress to the outside. So off the kitchen, you have this nice concrete patio right here. So I don't know if you like coffee shops or outdoor restaurants, but this has some nice rail system right going around here. You have plenty of space to entertain, grill, things like that, as you can see. And then over here, want to highlight the oversized 2-stall detached garage. So it's a great amenity to have for this property. Over here, you have a nice yard to play in for kids and pets. So it's nice to have. You have some good shade here. Additionally, it's been well thought out throughout this house. You have some nice lighting right here, some patio lights there to hang out, especially this time of year. We're in June right now, so you can enjoy summer nights to hang out with that. So yeah, so this kind of covers the backyard. It's nice that it's mostly fenced in. It wouldn't take much to finish the fence in. It's nice. Big fan of how big this concrete area is, just for parking and turning around, but also you have plenty of space to entertain. One thing I want to highlight is that there is a radon mitigation system. All right, if you're looking for an amazing home here in the northeast side of Des Moines, this is it. It's within a short distance to the interstate, so it makes it easy to go east, west, north, south, so it's that close to the interstate. But additionally, this house features over 1,100 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths, a poured foundation, oversized 2-stall detached garage, updated bathrooms, updated kitchen. This property has it all. If you have any questions, please reach out.